500 watts battery backup or 500 watts UPS backup, this kind of scenario that is a typical number that the market, the mainstream provider in the market will ignore it. Because you see that what you will find mostly in the market is 1000 watts, 2000 watts, 3000 watts, this kind of standard powers. And no one will especially make something for outdoor environment, which we know that in outdoor site, most of the scenario, you don't have a very big load there, 1000 watts, 2000 watts, mostly is under 500 watts. So as we mentioned many times, edge network, outdoor network, outdoor power solution, this kind of scenario need a dedicated provider focus on the scenario and make something that really you need. So that's why we have a lot of different solutions that the mainstream provider, they would think is very strange why we have this kind of devices, for example. Why we develop a 200 watts UPS system, why there's a 100 watts UPS system, why we develop a 500 watts, and we even have a 20 watts, 30 watts we customize for our customers. It's because in outdoor, the scenario is different from the indoor and from the mainstream provider, the scenarios. On the other hand, in outdoor, the weight and the volume of the solution is very valuable, because if it's getting heavier, if it's getting bigger, it will increase the transportation and installation operation costs clearly or very obviously. So that's why you have to save as much as possible to make the solution that exactly match your requirement. Not like you use something bigger, no problem. It's not indoor, it's outdoor, you know. So we always insist that make something that really you need, not using something in the market that something bigger, something larger, not necessary.